difference between expanded form and factor form? So expanded form means an expression written as the sum or difference of terms. The brackets are removed. Okay, we'll be removing the bracket. Here x plus 3 into x plus 2 is given with the bracket. This is the factor form. Factor is given. While expanding it, we'll be removing the bracket. Okay, if you are just multiplying this or if you're using the identity, you'll be getting the answer is x square plus 5x plus 6. This is the expanded form. So factor form is an expression written as the product of its factor. It contains bracket. This expanded form is given. For this, we have to write the factor form. Okay, what are the factor of this means? Like x plus 3, x plus 2. Okay, so expanded form means bracket will not be there. So factor form means bracket will be there. So now we are going to learn with how to write the, okay, here expanded form is given. So we have to write factor form. Okay, exercise set 4.2, factor completely. Okay, so expanded form is given without bracket. So we have to write in factor format with bracket. Question 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. So whenever the question is given like this, mostly, right? Always the first term and the last one, it will be a perfect square number. We can just easily able to, okay, make it as a square. Then only you can just use the identity formula. So this should be in the form of a square. We have to split. This should be in the form of b square. So we know the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to, right, a plus b the whole square. So in that the same thing. So now we are going to write. So in a plus b the whole square we have learned. Now here we have to write the formula in, okay, reverse order. Okay, using a square plus 2ab, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square. This is the expanded form without bracket. We have to write it as a factor form with bracket. Okay. From this, we have to identify. Now here is given 9x square is given. We have to write this in the form of a square format we have to write. And the same as this also you have to write it as b square format we have to write. Then answer it will be easy. From this, if you're finding what is a, what is b, that is our answer. A plus b the whole square. Okay, now the question is given. So 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. So we should not take it as a as 9x the whole square. No, we have to write in the form of a the whole square. Okay, 9 can be written as 3x. Okay, 3x the whole square is 9 square. Plus, this one you can just leave it first as blank. Okay, leave it blank. First you find out a square we found out. Next b value find out. B is 4y. 4y the whole square. 4 square is 16, y square is this. We got what is a, what is b. From this itself I can just find out the answer. 3x plus 4y the whole square is the answer. Anyway, we have to write in the form of 2ab. So 2ab means just write 2 into a value. This is a value 3x into b value. This is b value 4y. That's it. So therefore, right. So therefore, we can just write the answer. For this, the answer is going to be, this is a plus b. Okay, 3x plus 4y the whole square. This is our factor form with the bracket. So 2 times if you want, you can just expand as 2 times. Okay, 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 4y. So 2 times you can just write. Okay, it's very simple, right? So make it as, okay, perfect square number only it will be given, and find out what is a value, what is b value. Okay, now the second question, second one. So use this is given as expanded form. You have to write it as a factor form. So you just write the formula as a square plus 2ab plus b square format is given. So you have to write it in the form of a plus b the whole square format we have to write. Now we have to write it in the form of a. We have to find out what is a. So a it can be so 2s the whole square plus. So b value we will find out first. Then b can be written as 5t. Okay, 5t the whole square. This is a value, this is b value. The formula answer is going to be 2s plus 5t the whole square. We have to fill it up 2ab also. So 2 into, this is our a value, 2s into b value, this is our 5t. If you multiply this, you will be getting as 20st. Yes. Now this is equal to 2s plus 5t the whole square. This is our factor form. So 49x square plus 28xy plus 4y square is given. 49 can be written as 7x the whole square plus 2 into, first you find out a and b value. Okay, a we can find out. Next you find out b, it can be 2y the whole square, b value. Next you find out 2 into a into b value. If you multiply, you will be getting this 28xy. First itself, if you want to try to write, you may get confused. How we can split 28 as, right? So 2 times a into b. First you find out what is a, what is b, then you write 2ab. So the answer is going to be 7x plus 2y the whole square. Okay, that is the answer. Okay. Now fourth one, okay, is given like this. So the same a square plus 2ab plus b square format is given. From this, I would write it as a the whole square and b the whole square. So I'm just writing as this can be written as, okay, that is 8 square, right? 8p the whole square plus, I'm just leaving this plus. So we can write that this can be written as 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 means 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Okay, 2 by 3 q the whole square. Now this is my a value, this is my b value. Okay, 2ab, 2 into a value into b value, 2 by 3 q. Now therefore I can just write the answer as 8p plus 2 by 3 q the whole square. Now this is our answer. Okay, now the same is here. Okay, fifth question, make sure that first number and the last number should be a perfect square number. Do we have the perfect square number here? 3 is there. Here 4 by 3 is not a perfect square number. Right, so we have to do some alteration. Okay, therefore what I am going to do it here means, so first I'm just going to take 3 outside. Okay, here if I take 3 outside, so a square will be there. Here also we just take 3 outside, so we'll be having, right, so 3 outside comes means we'll be getting only 4 by 9 will come. Then it will be a perfect square number. Okay, first I'm just taking 3 outside from this. If I take 3 outside, so you'll be getting a square plus, here we don't have any 3 with a numerator. So the 3 should be divided. So you'll be getting as, this is 4ab by 3. So that if you multiply 3 with inside, this 3 will get cancelled, you'll be getting only 4ab. No 3 with the numerator, so keep the 3 as denominator. Now here 4 by 3 is there, right? If I take 3 outside, okay, if I take 3 outside, what has to come? There is no 3 in the numerator. So 3 should be written in the denominator. Okay, so we have to write it as 4 divided by, right? So 3 should be multiplied with the denominator. So the 3 3s are 9 will come. You can just recheck. If you multiply 3 with inside, okay, this 3 and 9 will get cancelled with 3 times. So we'll be getting 4 by 3. So this will become b square. Once again, how we are taking 3 outside. Here 3 already in the numerator, so we just taken as it is. Here there is no 3 in the numerator, just divide with 3. Here also there is no 3 in the numerator, just divide with 3. So already 1 3 is there, so 3 3 is 9 will come. Hope you can follow it up. Now we can write this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. From this you can identify, so 3 is already outside. Okay, from this a can be written as a the whole square plus b, you just leave it. So b, how to find out? So b can be written as 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 b the whole square. Now this is a value, this is b value. So you can just write it as 2 times ab. 2 into a into b value is 2 by 3 b. 2ab. Now from this you can take what is a. This is a, right? So 3 times a value is a plus b value is 2 by 3 b the whole square. So 3 times a plus 2 by 3b the whole square. Now this is the factorized form. Now the sixth one also is not in the perfect square format. First number and the last number. So here I can take 5 outside. That is 1 by 5 outside. As 9 by 5 is there, I am just going to take 1 by 5 outside. So if I just take 1 by 5 outside, so 5 is in the denominator. Okay, I'm just taking 1 by 5 outside. Balance will be having 9 s square plus. Okay, so 5 is in the denominator. So I have taken 5 is outside. So 5 should be multiplied with numerator. Okay, 6 5s are 30. 30 s v will come. If you multiply 5 with inside, so 5 and 30 will cancel with 6 times. Now plus. Here there is no 5 in the denominator, so 5 should be multiplied with the numerator. 5 5s are 25 v square. Okay, so multiply and check. So if you multiply 1 by 5 with inside, 9 by 5. If you multiply 1 by 5 with inside, so 5 and 30 will get cancelled with 6 times. 5 with inside, 5 and 25 will cancel with 5 times. Yes. Now this can be written as 1 by 5. Now I can write it as this is 3s the whole square plus, so leave it, plus this can be written as 5v the whole square. So 2ab means, so 2 into 3s, okay, into b value 5v. Now we know the answer. So 1 by 5 into, so a plus b the whole square. A value we have taken as 3s plus b value is 5v the whole square. Okay, the final answer 1 by 5 into 3s plus 5v the whole square is the answer. Okay, hope you can follow it up.
Yes, sir.
So these two cases alone, you just make sure that, right, what has to be taken out to make it as a perfect square number. If it's a perfect square only, we can just apply the identity. Otherwise, we cannot. Okay. The second one, find the value of the following using identity. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. 79 is given. First question is 79. 79 the whole square. Okay. So we have to use, so minus. Okay. A minus b. That means 79 we can write it as 80 minus 1 the whole square. 80 minus 1 the whole square. So I can just use the identity formula. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now just write it as 80 minus 1 the whole square is equal to a square means 80 square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Okay, 8 square is 64 and 2 0 minus 2 8s are 16, that is 160 plus 1 square is 1 square 1. Now so we have to just subtract, right? If or first you add the positive numbers, then you subtract. Okay, 6400 plus 1 is 6401 minus 160. Just subtract 6200 and 6241 is the answer. Okay, the same way, so quickly I will just complete this. 193 means we can write it as 200 minus 7. 200 minus 7 the whole square. Using a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so 200 square minus 2 into 200 into 7 plus 7 square. Okay, 200 square is 40,000 minus 2 into 200 is 400 into 7 is, okay, 2,800 plus 7 square is 49. Okay, first you add the numbers. 40,000 plus 49 is, okay, 40,049 minus 2,800. The final answer is 37,249. How we are just splitting, okay, that is the matter. Now the same way 299 can be written as 300 minus 1. Okay, 300 minus 1 the whole square, right? Apply the same formula. Okay, expand, simplify. So you'll be getting the answer as 89,401.